Now let's try some mental math problems. First, I am going to show you by writing this down what this will equal. Some of you might already know how to do this part, but if we're doing our 0.10 times 50, and I type that into a calculator, so 0.10 times 50, I get 5. So here's what's happening. 10% of 5, we're just going to move our decimal over once because it's only 10%. So if you can find 10% of any number, you can almost do any mental math calculation. So if we just move that over once, I get a 5. 20% is just your 10% times 2. So again, if you know 10% of a number, so 10% of 50 was 5. If I multiply this by 2, that's what's going to give me 20%, and this times 2 is going to give me 10. So 20% of 50 is 10. Now our goal is to try to do this mentally, but being this is a video, I wanted to show you what I'm thinking mentally in my head. So 30%, if I know 10% is 5, because I would just move it over once, then I'm just going to do 5 times 3, because this is 30%. So that is going to be 15. Now this is what I was doing in my head. If 10% of 50 is 5, then I just need to multiply it by 3 to convert it to 30%. So this is everything that I'm doing mentally in my head. But being this is a video, I need to show you how to do that. So again, 10% of 80, if you just move this over once, 10% of 80 is 8. Now, 40%, just take your 10% times 4, and we get 32. So again, these are the things I'm doing in my head mentally. 70%, well, we know 10% is 8, so we want to multiply it by 7 because it's 70%. So that would be 56. 70% of 80 is 56. And that's just one quick way to do mental math involving percents, like 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%. You can do that with 50, 60, 70, 80, and even 90% as well.